Diversity 2. Auto repair at another level. Part 5. The vehicle, this 2017 Dodge Edge Turbo front wheel drive, is still up in the air. The frame, as you can see. No motor. Well, they're still working on it. I've been back and forth trying to assist them. And finally got everything together, well, as far as the motor and the transmission to connect. But we ran into a problem. The motor wouldn't turn. And everything tightened down. Took my bar, tried to turn the motor, and the motor would not turn. Or it turned with resistance, which is not good. So there were some suggestions that maybe we should keep the other flywheel that came off the old motor. Maybe something's not matching up. And we had to make sure we had those dowels lined up, the two dowels here are lined up, and making sure the clutch converter was seated properly. A lot of things were going through our minds, what to do next. I was even asked what to do. And I'm telling him, this is, I never went this far to the engine. You're asking me what to do. Yeah, we asking you. So I gave my opinion, and we tried several things. But that motor had some resistance that we were not comfortable with. So we went and got the flywheel off the original motor and removed the one off the motor that they had purchased and just replaced it. Hopefully that would make a difference. We got installed, reinstalled, got everything tightened up. Took my bar and tried to turn the engine, and there's resistance again. Okay. I told them, well, I have to go. But call me, let me know what's going on, which I got a call. And they told me finally they had flipped the motor over. They were to install the transmission, turned the engine, and it worked. Flipped it back over. Now they are putting the parts on the motor ready to install at this point. So we're going to see what's going to happen. One of my next video when I go back, and I heard that they're ready to put it on the vehicle and get it hoisted up and remount this engine. Diversity 2. Auto